Hello, my name is Ken Adams, and for those of you who might care about this video, you would know me as MF or Q in the Old Money Discord or the Old Money community in general. Very early on, we were taken care of by giving airdrops, and what we realized is that a large majority of those airdrop bills are twins. And what does a twin mean? Well, we have a speculation that we're going to get 3D bills. Now, these aren't 3D bills, these are printed pictures that I put in cases because the Old Money project is really cool and it's so many layers. This is one layer. This is one little description of the tale of me getting a twin set and actually meeting a bunch of cool MFers in that sense. As a reminder, MFer is just a term of endearment amongst us who are MFers. So this is that story of 4 orphan twins, 5 MFers, and 1 flipper. And it starts with bill number 1114. So 1114 was airdropped, and at one point while the floor was down, they sold for 117 ADA. So that first MFer is plus 117 ADA for a free airdrop. Right away, that's a win. Who bought that? Turned around and relisted it, and they sold it for 125 ADA. Okay, those are what we would call a flipper. And while some people don't like flippers, I know that one person likes them because now I didn't get that airdropped bill, but I had an opportunity to get in at the end, and now I have airdrop bill 1114. But I bought it, so I spent that 125, and now for a small sum, I have a 2 bill 1114. Anaxamander, I'm going to hack that name every time. Great philosopher, hard to say the name. Put together a spreadsheet early on that gave us all the twins. All the bills that are known to have been airdropped and twin matching bills. That's pinned in the Discord under Show Me Your Twins, so that's kind of fun. Started using that and looking for that, but I also made a post in that site to say, hey, I have bill 1114. I don't have the twin. I'm willing to trade it for another twin if it'll make yours. Now we enter MF Ryan Nolan. So here's another person that came in early, and he was actually airdropped 2 bills. So the 2 bills that he had, one of the ones that he needed turned out to be 1114 that he got for 0 ADA, matched one of his bills. So he reached out to me and said, hey, I'll make that trade. And we did. So now for 0 ADA, Ryan has twins. He's holding on to 1114. I'm holding on to 5366. So person to person, MF or twin, big score here. I'm still sitting pretty good. Actually had an opportunity in this one because when you look at the MF ranking, this thing is a 5100 MF ranked bill over top of the one that we traded, which was somewhere in the 7,000s. Advantage for him, he got a set of twins. He doesn't have to go chasing after it. Advantage for me, if I get stuck with this orphan, I've got a pretty decent MF bill that I picked up ultimately for 125 ADA. And now I'm looking at this one because this is a pretty sexy bill. It's got some extra degradation, it's got a hole in it, and if we get the 3D rotation, maybe I can actually see through this bill. So I'm kind of like, okay, this is the one I would like to get after and find. Also had something else happen, Microsoft Sheet, which is great, spreadsheet, but it wasn't interactive for the whole community. So I built it into a GDocs spreadsheet so that everyone can get to it, and we started color coding it, and we're helping each other out to figure out who has what bill. I have some orphans, other people have orphans, we're looking to buy, sell, trade. So it's kind of helping out that MFer community so we know. But then we have a new MFer that came in that was airdropped bill 3525. That bill happens to be very similar to this one, but the floor's coming up. Floor's about 260, but they sold for 298. 0 in, 298 out. That MFer wins. They got 298 from a free airdrop. Awesome, awesome deal. I happen to know the guy that bought that one. 3525, and that one is a 5500 ranked MFers, but these are similar but not twins. So enter Exerson House. Really cool. Our devs for this program, Hudro, is making some amazing progress in dev work that's beyond measure. the artwork that Trixon is building, beyond measure. These are like, this combination is just what's really cool about it. But this 3525 bill that I picked up, I'm looking for that twin now because they're both similar. And I used Exerson House and used the Google Sheets to figure out which bills I could actually look for, and scrolled down in Exerson House, and then I find out that none other than the original document creator and examiner has that. Bill number 4582. He was airdropped that. So with that 4582 bill is a perfect pair for 3525. So I offered Annex. I just replied to him and said, hey, would you be interested in a trade for a 5100 MFR ranked bill for a 5500 ranked MFR bill? So he's going to increase by 400. He'll still hold an orphan bill that has its own value, and I would end up getting the twin. Said yes. So now he has got 5366 orphan, and he goes up 400 MFR. He's a holder still, and he gets to work out a trade with a pretty decent guy. I have a set of twins. Ryan Nolan has a set of twins. This MFR got 300 ADA. Annex picks up 400 MFR ranking points very early on. Initial MFR picks 117 ADA, floor price, just sells it, and the flipper loses. So 2 parts for making this video is, one is to share the story so you can see how cool it is that the community is growing and all the tools that are there. And second is so that I can share this with my CPA and say, you figure it out, because I don't know how to do the math. I'll talk to you guys later.